So namhlanje sekuqhamuke umbiko oqhamuka le kwi-CAF. I-CAF isi-reach agreement no-SuperSport TV ukuthi baveze ama-games e-CAF Champions League. Bazoveza ama-game e-CAF Champions League, baveze ama-game awamantombazane. Le contract contract yalonyaka kuphela. Njengoba kuyi-contract yalonyaka nje lo ama-game amaningi ngiyasadlala ku-SABC. SABC nayo ngizwile namhlanje kuthiwa ba-reach agreement nawo SABC futhi ukuthi baveze ama-game e-Champions League yabo ku-SABC. But izovela nala kwi-SuperSport. Umuntu ono-DStv angawabuka ama-game e-CAF Champions League. Ngike ngazi noma azovezwa yini ku-Showmax. Njengoba kwakubikiwe ukuthi uShowmax usuzoqala uveze ama-game e-PSL. Bengakezwa ukuthi azovela yini ama-game e-Champions League. Kuqhamuka lo mbiko lo after ku-qualify i-Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns kwi-CAF Champions League. Njengoba ku-qualify ama-team nje kwi-CAF Champions League, kwa-qualify futhi neStellenbosch. Njengoba sekuqualify neStellenbosch, ama-team amathathu ale South Africa azoletha more viewership to the tournament. Because ngizwe kuthiwa last season i-CAF Champions League ya last season ikhuphuke ngo-40% la in the southern hemisphere, in the southern region yabo of Africa ikhuphuke ngo-40%. Bayabona ukuthi bafuna ukukapitalize more ngoba sekuzoqhamuka ama-team abo amakhula njengo-Orlando Pirates kule competition. Bayazi ukuthi inama-fans amaningi eSouth Africa, so bawathatha bayawathenga ama-rights. SuperSport ithenga ama-rights from i-CAF. I feel like this is a good move for SuperSport. Isithathela ama-game from i-CAF Champions League. Izosibroadcastela wona mfethu in high HD. Sibuke iPirates idlala in high HD, sibuke iSundowns idlala in high HD, sibuke naso futhi iStellenbosch sidlala mfethu in high definition. Abangena DStv basengayibuka ama-game azodlala kwi-SABC yabo. Because now SABC uqhamukile naso isinqumo. Ngike ngazi ukuthi azodlala inawe CAF Women's Champions League, angizwanga ngalapho ka-SABC, but ngizwile nje kuthiwa i-CAF Champions League ne-Women's Champions League ne-CAF Confed kanye ne-CAF Super Cup. So nje la ma-competition lawo yi-4: i-Champions League, i-Women's Champions League, i-Confederation ne-Super Cup yabo. I-contract le yale season kuphela.